What's good, everyone? Make sure to subscribe if you're new. At Culvers, about to try their brand new concrete mixture made with Skittles. This is how it looks like. Alright, this is how it looks like. Let's take one big bite. She's going in. Does it pause? This is fire. She's going in again.
She's going in.
I rate it 10 out of 10. This is crunchy, tastes so good. You should go to Culvers right now. Get yours right now. What you rate it?
I rate this 12 out of 10. This is probably the best thing I ever tasted. And I recommend you should try it. And make sure to subscribe.